Okay, a little more on shims. I'm still working on the built-in shelf project, and I was telling you about shims. I'm not technically just talking about the shims that you purchase that are, I don't know, very thin. They're little wedge shapes, although I may use some of those too. But I had a couple inches, like almost 3 inches to fill here, and I just measure by doing this. Oh, that's not enough. I tried a 2x3 and that was too much. So I found this little piece of, I guess it's like kind of like MDF in a plank. I used that on a previous project and had some left. So I nailed some in there, and there is the MDF behind there. You can't see, here it is. So that's about the space I need. It comes up to flush with this drywall. And then once I had to slide this out in order to get in there and nail that in. Now I'll do this side. I guess I better do that too now while it's out. I may be able to, I may slide the whole thing in and then come around this other side and wedge some pieces in here. This only has about a 1/2 inch, so I won't need as big of pieces there. Actually, yeah, I don't. Well, that might work. I think that's even too thick. We'll see. But I may just slide that in and then work it around there and nail it through from the inside of the box. I don't know. Whatever I decide. Anyway, so that's that. Once I get this in there, if I have to slide some more shims in here, I can slide them in, right in here. And I'm just going to put one down there, and then the same thing up here. And then when I get that in there, I'll just nail once and up there, and that'll be enough. I'm not trying to build a bunker, but I do want something strong enough that my kids don't tear it up. Okay, so that's it for now. Again, like and subscribe. Continue watching, and go to my wife's website in the link below. If you will spend a minute there, I would really appreciate it. If you can't spend a minute there, just leave it alone. Don't bother. It just helps with Google ranking. Okay, thank you. Has nothing to do with this project at all. All right, thanks for watching.